Hi, I'm Michael with Irwin Power, and today I want to help those of you who want an electrical contracting license in the state of Florida know exactly what those experience and education requirements are in the state of Florida for you to qualify. Now, on top of experience and education, there are other things that you have to provide to the state with your application in order to get a license. You have to go before a board, you have to pass the exams, you have to provide a personal credit and a business credit score. You have to show certain net worth to the state on a bank letterhead signed off by your bank who holds that account for you. There are things you have to do, but today we're talking about experience and education requirements only. Maybe you've been working in the trade and you have been doing it for 3 or 4 years and wonder if you meet the requirements to get a license in the state. So today I'm going to go straight to the licensing website, myfloridalicense.com. I'm going to read for you the 5 bullet points they have that would determine whether or not you qualify for a license. Now, there's different types of license. I am a certified electrical contractor in Florida that allows me to work anywhere in the state of Florida. You will have to go and look at the different types, see which one you want to apply for. But if you want to work anywhere in the state of Florida and have an unlimited electrical contracting license, these will be the requirements with regard to experience that you need to have. There's 5 points in the application. All you have to do is meet one of them and you can apply to get your license. So I'm going to read them verbatim so that there's no question, you hear it. If this video helps you in any way, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot. I want to stay in communication with you. You can leave your comments for questions you may have. And I've already went through this process. I have a valid license right now with Irwin Power with the state of Florida, and it will help me if you subscribe to this channel, and I will continue to help you by uploading videos that will help you go through this and help you to grow professionally with some of the other videos that I have that may help you to learn something with regard to the trade, business, and licensing. So, number 1, qualifications for licensing in Florida. Number 1, you must have 3 years of management experience in the trade of electrical alarm specialty contracting within the last 6 years immediately preceding the filing of the application. Or you can meet number 2, must have 4 years of experience as a foreman, supervisor, or contractor in the trade within the last 8 years immediately preceding the filing of the application. Number 3, must have 6 years of comprehensive training, technical education, or supervisory experience associated with an electrical or alarm contracting business within the last 12 years immediately preceding the filing of the application. This is still bullet point number 3, but there is another or must have at least 6 years of technical experience in the electrical or alarm system work with the armed forces or governmental entity within the last 12 years preceding the filing of the application. Or you may have a combination of these qualifications in point number 3, totaling 6 years of experience total. So it gave you in bullet number 3 2 different things that you could do to meet that number 3 qualification, or you could kind of have a combination of both and still be approved by the state. Number 4, you must be licensed as an electrical professional engineer for 3 years within the last 12 years preceding the filing of your application, and provide a copy of current electrical professional engineering license and transcripts showing electrical engineering work. And number 5, you must have a combination of experience listed in 1 through 3, totaling 6 years within the last 12. So, generally, most of you are going to try to apply meeting bullet point number 5, having 6 years of experience within the last 12 of you submitting that application. This experience has to be verified with employment verification forms. Your employer has to sign off on it. You have to give W-2s that show that you actually worked for the person signing your paperwork. And if you're going for certified electrical contractor, then at least 40% of your work experience has to be 3-phase services. It can't be certified electrical contractor who has only done residential single phase work, because the license of certified electrical contractor is going to allow you to work in single phase, 3-phase, residential, commercial work. It's going to open the door for you to pretty much have the unlimited possibility of jumping into the electrical work that you want to do, and it's going to allow you to work anywhere in the state. So get on myfloridalicense.com, take a look at the application. It will go into detail about other things that are required. If you have questions about other aspects of licensing, whether it's board examination or test layout, stuff like that, all this stuff's available on their website. If you go to myfloridalicense.com, it's going to tell you what you're able to find, what books you need for your exam. You're able to find how many questions are on your exam. You're able to find an actual breakdown of how many questions are going to come from each code book in your technical exam. So there's a lot there. It can be very confusing and frustrating trying to get your application sent in, and there's really it's really hard to get questions answered by someone who actually represents the state board and stuff. It's hard to get a hold of people. It was frustrating for me to go through that process, so I want to help you and answer some of your questions. So leave them in the comment section. Let me know if you like this video or not. Subscribe, help us out. And I'm Michael with Irwin Power. Thank you.